Hello, and thank you for your interest in this best-in-class and widely used bar cloud-based inventory and asset tracking solution. Today we're going to discuss the three implementation options. Option 1 is software as a service. This option is also known as the cloud solution. Customers co-share the server environment and their database environment with other clients in the cloud using a variety of web browsers, mobile devices, and tablets. The cloud solution benefits are all you need is an internet connection, and there's instant updates whenever a new release occurs. Option 2 is a dedicated environment. This option provides for a dedicated server and database. Still a cloud solution, but customers have the option to configure their security settings, their integration options, and control the flow of updates and upgrades on all levels. A dedicated environment allows our customers with larger deployment the ability to negotiate terms and conditions of use. Each dedicated environment contains a production instance and a sandbox instance that is used for testing. To access both environments, all you need is an internet connection and desktop PC, mobile devices, and tablets. The benefits here are that it can be configured for the client's business needs, it operates with the client's security needs, and a full separation from the shared environment. Option 3 is a self-hosted environment. The databases for production and sandbox will be hosted on the client's own servers or cloud environment, and the application will be hosted on their own dedicated server. The production and sandbox instances are accessible through a variety of browser, desktop, PC, mobile devices, and tablets. The self-hosted benefits are that it needs no internet. All you need is an intranet connection. For security, there can be no outbound or inbound data transfer, and you have full ownership of the data. Contact us to schedule a more in-depth one-on-one demonstration to see how ASAP Systems' cloud-based solution can fit your organizational needs and to guide you on choosing the best solution.